That shouldn't be smushed by this. Shouldn't smush this poor bear on that truck.
Yes.
Don't smush that car.
Why not?
Because it's very dangerous to do that.
Oh, it is?
It has to keep driving, Bear. Has to keep driving, Bear.
It does?
It does.
Where is it driving?
It has to drive way over here to visit his friend Robin in his carrot car.
Oh.
That's where he's going, Bear. Well, what truck are you in, Bear? What truck are you in, Bear?
I'm in a Tamper Downer.
What's a tamper downer, Bear?
I think it's kind of like a steamroller where it presses things down.
And what is that, Kitty? Kitty in there?
Yes.
What truck are you driving today, Kitty?
A power shovel.
And what are you trying to do, Fox?
I'm operating the rock crusher.
And why are you, Kitty, yapping in your dump truck?
I think I'm happy in my work.
And why are you dumping it? Why is it dumping it in Raccoon into your dumper?
Well, because that's its job.